lights are driven and the drips are dropping. The rain is here and it won't stop stopping. I really kind of want the rain to stop, but I know the rain won't stop and the drips will keep dropping. Everything I hear, everything I do, everything I say is all drowned out by the rain. It's kind of annoying and I'm kind of losing my mind. But I don't really care because the rain's kind of nice. The rain is love. The rain is life. I should probably go and ride my bike. It's old and it's rusted and it's falling apart. But I should still ride it one more time probably for good time's sake or something. I don't know.